If you have $1,000 to invest, you can make quick money in a variety of ways, but there are some methods that trump others. The play here is speed. We're not talking about long-term, buy-hold strategies. Those are terrific if you're looking to invest your capital over at least a 2 to 5 year period. We're talking about ways you can make money fast. Number 1. Play the stock market. Day trading is not for the faint of heart. It takes grit and determination. It takes understanding the different market forces at play. This isn't something a stock advisor would recommend for amateurs, but if learned and learned well, it is a way where you can quickly, within hours, make a significant amount of real money with a relatively small investment. There are also ways to hedge your bets when it comes to playing the stock market. Whether you play the general market or you trade penny stocks, ensure that you set stop-loss limits to cut any potential for significant depreciations. Now, if you're an advanced trader, you likely understand that market makers often move stocks to play into either our fear of failure or our greed. And they'll often push an individual stock down to a certain price to enhance that fear and play right into their pockets. When it comes to penny stocks, this is further exaggerated. So you have to understand what you're doing and be able to analyze the market forces and make significant asset appreciation gains. Pay attention to moving averages. Often, when stocks break through 200-day moving averages, there's potential for either a large upside or a big downside. Number 2. Invest in a money-making course. Investing in yourself is one of the best possible investments you can make. While you might not be able to pinpoint an actualized return on investment, there's no money that's better spent. Invest in yourself. Invest in your education. Learn, adapt, grow. Discover what you're passionate about. There are loads of money-making courses on the internet. The hard part is choosing the right online course for you. From ebooks to affiliate marketing, search engine optimization, and beyond, the possibilities are endless. While many money-making gurus might pop up on social media, not all courses are created alike. Spend time doing your due diligence and research to choose the one that's right for you. Number 3. Trade commodities. Trading commodities like gold and silver present a rare opportunity, especially when they are trading at the lower end of their 5-year range. Metrics like that give a strong indication of where commodities might be heading. Carolyn Borodin of Fibonacci Queen says, "I have long-term support and timing in the silver markets because silver is a solid hedge on inflation. Plus, commodities like silver are tangible assets that people can hold onto. The fundamentals of economics drive the price of commodities. As supply dips, demand increases and prices rise. Any disruption to a supply chain has a severe impact on prices. For example, a health-scared livestock can significantly alter prices as scarcity reigns free. However, livestock and meat are just one form of commodities. Metals, energy, and agriculture are other types of commodities. To invest, you can use an exchange like the London Metal Exchange or the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, as well as many others. Often, investing in commodities means investing in futures contracts. Effectively, that's a prearranged agreement to buy a specific quantity at a specific price in the future. These are leveraged contracts, providing both big upside and a potential for large downside, so exercise caution. Number 4. Trade cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are on the rise. While trading them might seem risky, if you hedge your bets here as well, you could limit some fallout from a poorly timed trade. There are plenty of platforms for trading cryptocurrencies as well. But before you dive in, educate yourself. Find courses on platforms like Udemy, Kajabi, or Teachable, and learn the intricacies of trading things like Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, and others. While there are over 3,000 cryptocurrencies in existence, only a handful really matter today. Find an exchange, research the trading patterns, look for breakouts of long-term moving averages, and get busy trading. You can use exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, or Sex.io, along with many others to make the actual trades. Number 5. Use peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a hot investment strategy these days. While you might not get rich investing in a peer-to-peer lending network, you could definitely make a bit of coin. Which lending platform do you use? Today, there are many to choose from, but the most popular ones include Lending Club, Peerform, and Prosper. How does this work? Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to give small bursts of capital to businesses or individuals while collecting an interest rate on the return. You get more money than you would if you placed it in a savings account. Plus, your investment risk is limited because the algorithms are doing much of the hard work for you. Once you identify the offer, you can dig in and do some research then. You can either take the deal or not. You'll have your risk evaluated based on a proprietary algorithm that includes employment and credit history, and you'll be able to decide to invest based on a variety of well-thought-out data. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.